Tonight's supposed to be the first big freeze of the season, and I thought I'd go ahead and get the camper ready for the winter season. Though we're not really done with it yet, we're gonna semi-winterize it. First thing that I did is I went ahead and got a blow plug that is attached to a water pressure regulator. And this water pressure regulator will keep too much pressure from going into the pipe so that nothing will burst. And I like this brass blow plug because you can screw right into it and you don't have to hold it right on the end. This blow plug right here is made by Camco, and we're also going to be testing out this little air compressor right here. I believe it's by Bonaire, and we're going to see how that works out. We'll be doing a product review on that as well. I've got the air compressor attached and I'm ready to start it, and we're going to see how this goes. All right. Alright, now we're going to do the hot water for the bathroom. Being that this is further away from the input, there's a lot more water in here. Okay. Now just think all that water. Just think all that water could have done some serious damage had we not blown it out, if that had frozen. Okay, now for the shower. Okay, let's try. All right, I think that's good. And we don't want to forget the shower. Since we're going to be in and out of this camper quite a bit, I have a little space heater that I've got plugged in out here, and we're going to be using that as well. So that's also going to help things from getting too much frozen while we are out here working on the thing. And the last thing that we do is we pour some antifreeze down the drain for the drain catch. As you can see, I've already done the toilet for the black tank and the shower. Say that the Bonaire BA120B did very well. It's very compact, it's powerful enough to do the job, and it did very well.